Greetings from MagePeople TV. Today we are going to learn how to create Google Maps API key for eCab taxi booking. Well, as you can see, there is no API, so we need to create one, right? So let's open a new tab and search Google Cloud. Alright, now click Google Cloud. Okay, now at the top, click Console. Great. Now, just as you can see, there is a project. You have to click a project for Google Cloud. Alright, now at the right, click API and Service and enable API and services. Well, now you need to enable API and services. So look for Maps JavaScript API. Great. Now click enable. Wait few seconds. Keep your contact information and simply click start free. Well, you have to add a credit card or debit card for verification purpose. Okay. Now simply add what's your industry to focus, what's your preferred approach, and why you need it. You have to just mention this. Okay, now simply click submit. Great, you got your API key here. Now copy it and let's get back to our website. Okay, select click for API key, select Google Map API settings, and simply paste the API key you just got from there. Okay, now click save changes and let's find out if it's working or not. Go to any booking form of your taxi booking, simply click transport booking, and as you can see, your map is appeared. So you have successfully created an API. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like our video.